Adidas Basketball is set to release the AE2 Blue Fusion on October 25, expanding Anthony Edwards' signature line after the AE1's success. Designed for performance and style, it comes in full family sizing, $130 for adults, $100 for grade school, and $80 for preschool. The sneaker showcases an energetic mix of cool blues with patterned mesh, glossy overlays, and a striking forked support piece that boosts stability and identity. Comfort is prioritized with a neoprene inner bootie, lightweight foam midsole, and V-split collar that deliver responsiveness and lockdown. Aggressive traction ensures it's court-ready while its bold aesthetics highlight Edwards' rising influence in basketball footwear. Blending innovation, comfort, and statement-making design, the AE2 Blue Fusion continues Edwards' fast-growing signature journey, proving to be both a performance powerhouse and a standout fashion choice.